Sari stars, how are things going on in your sari world? I'm Lakshmi and today at Kalpavastram I'm delighted to be here with a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk saris for the festive season. These saris are all hand woven with pure zari and the designs and colors are amazing. So let's get started with this beautiful collection. We begin with a beautiful green jewel toned Kanjivaram and this one is one gorgeous sari. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari is in this lovely jewel toned green. This sari doesn't have borders. There is a narrow zari stripe at both sides of the sari. The pallu of the sari is simply gorgeous and it has a beautiful paisley motif at either corner of the pallu, and within that paisley we have a beautiful peacock motif. This is done completely in zari. There are also some zari lines on the pallu. So this is a very beautiful, classy and elegant Kanjivaram silk sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or pair it with a contrast ivory or tissue gold blouse and pair it with some nice gold jewellery for a traditional look. A beautiful sari for lovers of threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris. This one is in a lovely shade of rose pink. This lovely threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari is in this beautiful shade of pink and it has got lovely threadwork motifs like trees or leaves on the body. The borders are threadwork borders and it has a row of diagonal motifs in a blue color and there is a row of paisleys in a greenish color. The pallu is done in the same colors as the borders and it has some diagonal and floral motifs. This is a very beautiful threadwork sari, very elegant. You can wear it to office and for small events and occasions as well. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or a contrast blouse in the subtle blue or green shades from the borders and that will look absolutely beautiful and elegant. You can pair it with some delicate pearl jewellery or with some colourful beads. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual combination of green and cola brown is what we have for you now. The body of this sari has beautiful diagonal kind of self motifs and this is called a Banaras motif. This is done completely in colors of green and a short yellowish green kind of shade. The borders are rettapage borders. The two motifs are different on the borders. This is a leaf-like motif and this is a smaller floral kind of motif. The borders are in a beautiful deep cola brown kind of shade called as Kanchana color and the pallu is also in this beautiful cola color and it has lovely zari motifs of Arai Madam and Yali. This is a very grand and majestic pallu and it enhances the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same color as the borders in the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize with traditional gold jewellery. This is a stunning sari and it's my favorite sari from today's collection because of the unique and vintage kind of combination. If you're a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari lover, then this one is for you. This one is a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely shade of yellow. The body of this beautiful sari is in yellow and it has all over small checks or kodikatam. The borders are Korvai borders, so you can see the temples along the joint of the Korvai here. And the beautiful purple band with two green bands highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a lovely magenta purple and it has stripes. This is a no zari Kanjivaram silk sari and so it's very versatile and you can wear it for any kind of occasion. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in the same rich purple as the borders and the pallu. You can pair it with its own blouse and accessorize with some colorful beaded jewelry. Another classic elegant Kanjivaram silk sari for threadwork Kanjivaram lovers. This one is in a beautiful, unusual shade, and this is a mix of orange and yellow. This is a lovely Dhoop Chow Kanjivaram silk sari. So you can see the dual tone effect on the body of the sari. It's actually in a beautiful shade of mustard yellow, and it has maroonish red stripes running along the length of the sari. But the lines are so closely placed that it gives an effect of a rustish or orangish kind of shade. The borders are small, narrow borders, and it has beautiful threadwork of Rudraksha motifs on it. The beautiful pallu has elaborate threadwork motifs in the same colors as the borders in a combination of green, orangish, and red. The sari comes with a red blouse fabric and it has a self-woven design all over. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse and accessorize it with lovely emerald or jade jewelry. One of our most loved saris is back in stock. This is a beautiful cola brown Kanjivaram silk sari with lovely cute Meenakari kili motifs on it. The body of this beautiful sari is in this lovely rich shade of brown, and it has got cute kili or parrot motifs all over, and the kili are done in a combination of zari and Meenakari. You can see the Meenakari work here and the zari here. The sari doesn't have borders, it has a narrow zari stripe at either end. The beautiful pallu is in pink and it is enhanced with zari motifs of Gudare, that is horses, pakshis and diamond motifs all done in zari. This is a very beautiful sari, much loved by many of you, and all those of you who have bought this sari have loved it a lot. The sari comes with a pink blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Accessorize it with some lovely red ruby jewelry or with traditional gold jewelry. A beautiful sari for lovers of pink color. This one is in a lovely Muthukattam design and it's one of my favorite saris. The body of the sari is in a lovely Rani pink and there are kattams or checks all over the body. These are Muthukattam. The borders are tissue borders and this adds to the elegance and beauty of the sari. The pallu is decorated with a broad band of zari and this gives a look of elegance and gorgeousness to this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or pair it with a beautiful emerald green blouse and accessorize it with lovely emerald or jade jewelry. Palum Paramum or solid vibrant checks is one of the most iconic designs in Kanjivaram silk saris. We have a beautiful Palum Paramum Kattam sari for you in the classic combination. The body of the sari has all over kattam or checks, popularly known as Palum Paramum Kattam, and these are in shades of yellow, mustard and Arakku pink. The sari doesn't have borders, it has a narrow stripe of zari at either end and a greenish selvedge. The pallu of this beautiful sari is in a gorgeous green and it has seeper acre in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with a lovely green pattern. There is a lot of festive vibes around us and we have chosen our Kanjivaram silk saris very carefully in beautiful festive colors that are just perfect for you for the upcoming festivals. You can shop for our festive collection of Kanjivarams from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with many more saris and many more videos for this festive season. Till then, take care and bye.